going on, ladies and gentlemen? How are you guys doing today? Hopefully you guys are doing fantastic. Today I'm out and about just riding around, and one of the bikes that I had been interested in looking at and test riding and buying is a Speed Triple by Triumph. You know, you guys know I got that long commute, and wouldn't you know, I happened to get to try one. I'm sure you guys are very familiar with this bike. It belongs to the, you know, Mr. Suburban Delinquent. We were hanging out and he was like, and I was mentioning that I wanted to buy a Speed Triple, and he's like, why don't you take mine now and test ride it? And, you know, that's an opportunity that's hard to pass up, so I definitely had to take that. So, yeah, let's go ride around and see what we think. Right off the bat, I can tell you this is a cool bike for commuting on. It's very upright. The seat's really comfortable. The bars are perfect. There's a little bit of wind, so maybe if you add like a windshield or something, that'd be a little nice. But in general, it's a really comfy bike. I'm really impressed. And of course, it's it's a 1000 or 1056 or 1050 or something like that. Super torquey. As you can see, the RPM range isn't as high. It's about 10,000 before redlining, but it is definitely a beast, man. This may have sealed the deal. I really like it. I can reach the floor, and yeah. Oh man, that's torquey. Oh man, that is amazing. I really like this. This is nice, man. This is a comfy ass bike. And at that, we have a beautiful sunset for trying out a bike. This is such a good bike. Oh man, I am pretty sure they sealed the deal with this one. This is really comfy. I could totally see a nice commute on something like this. And I'm already familiar with the cluster, so not much there that I would need to learn. Oh man, yeah, this is very nice. I have no idea where I'm at, by the way. I am completely lost, so when I'm done with this video, I'll actually have to I'll have to GPS my way back, because I don't know where the fuck I'm at. I was like, I'm just gonna go ride it, and if I got lost, we gotta figure our way back. We'll go down like a little bit more. I think me and Sub D, we're about to go drink after this. Grab some drinks. We have a very similar enjoyment for beer, so we're gonna get some beer and hang out and do stuff and things. So yeah. But man, this is such a nice bike. Oh, that sounds so good. We're gonna have to stop and take a quick glance at it. Gonna find a parking lot. We're gonna make it a short video just because I want to get some beer. Although I really like this bike. Is this a RS? I don't even know what model it is. Go down here, make a U-turn, find a place to park, take a look at it. Take a look at its lines. Holy crap! You can just feel it just wants to pull. Oh man, yeah. I really like this bike. Alright, we're gonna make a U-turn. You know, one of the things that I'm always like, it's always interesting is when you get on a new bike that you've never ridden before, there's like that learning curve when you have to like get used to the bike, the different seating position, the way the levers feel, the way the throttle feels. And to be honest, this is actually, there's really not much of a curve here. It just fits. It just feels really good. I'm usually not one to test ride people's bikes. What the fuck? I think we're gonna have to go. Yeah, we're just gonna have to go. Oh man, this sounds good. It feels really, really good. It's like really right off the bat, you got so much torque. We're gonna pull in here real quick. Take a quick look at this thing. Alright, well, as you can see, oh god, it's such a beautiful bike. The Speed Triple, yeah, 1050, see? It's definitely something that I'm really, really interested in. I really love the seating position, which is one of the reasons why I really liked it. I mean, listen to this. Oh, man. You got the single-sided swing arm, front and rear Brembo brakes. Yeah. This is a beautiful bike. Let me take one picture. Uno picture. Por favor. We have to find our way back. Anyways, like I said, it's a very beautiful bike. It's definitely, it was between this and I was looking at the Z900, but by far, I really think the Speed Triple is what I'm gonna end up with. This thing is such a beast. Oh man, this thing is amazing. I'm not gonna lie, I think I know the bike that I want next. It's definitely gonna be the Speed Triple. You have power, you have comfort, the seating position is just fantastic. It's super torquey, and it's a beautiful bike. Like, it is an absolutely beautiful bike. And I think it has everything that I'm looking for. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end up with a Speed Triple. Now my goal is to be able to keep my 675 and add a Speed Triple, add a second bike to it, and eventually track out my 675 and keep this as a commuting bike. So we'll see how that goes. Anyways, big shout out to Subti. Really appreciate it, man, letting me use your bike. Let me test it out and take her out for a little ride. And much appreciated, man. Definitely helped with my decision making on which bike I think I want to get next. I knew I really wanted to test ride this, so this is a perfect opportunity to get it. You don't have to deal with like salesmen or all that other crap that you have to deal with when you go try a bike. So thank you, man. Very much appreciated. Man, so much power.